Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Habiolar. Thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you. God bless you. So in today's tutorial, we will be making a perfect basic sleeve for the dress you are seeing on the screen right now. So let's get down to business. For the basic sleeve, you can alter it to any sleeve of your choice. You can make it a short sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve, or long sleeve. But as for me, I will be making a 3/4 sleeve. So you need your sleeve length, you need your round sleeve, you need your cap height, and you need your chest line. Yes, so as to make this a basic sleeve. So the first thing you have to do is just to draw your border line, which I have done here already, just to have a straight line. So after that, you will determine your cap height. And how do you go about that? Cap height is your bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch. For mine, it is 4 inches. So from the border line, you just measure the 4 inches. And you draw a straight line. Can you see? Then please, while cutting your sleeve, your pattern paper or your fabric must be unfold like this. Must be unfold. Then the drafting must be from this folded part to this side. So on the cap height line, that is where you will impute your chest line. And how do you calculate your chest line? Chest line is bust divided by 6 plus 1.5, and mine is 8 inches. So from this folded part, I will measure my 8 inches. Can you see? So what I will do next is to connect this 8 inches to this tip of the paper like this. Can you see? Then I will now determine the midpoint of this line. I have with me here 9 inches, so the midpoint is a 4.5. So on this midpoint, you go up by ½ inch, and you also come down by ½ inch. Can you see? Then you mark. So what I want to do now is to come in with my curve and curve from here to this tip like this. Then turn my curve like this and connect. Can you see? Then also connect from this down part to this tip here. Like this. Then turn your curve and connect. So now this is the back armhole and this is the front armhole. If you remember our basic bodies, when we drafted our basic bodies, I've done a detailed tutorial on that. The front armhole is always deeper than the back. So can you see that this is deeper than the back? So what you want to do now is to impute your sleeve length. As for me, like I said, I will be doing the 3/4. 14 inches is just fine for me. So measure the 14 inches and connect like this. Then the round sleeve I'm working with here is 6.5. that's 13 inches. I will mark. Can you see? Then now I want to connect with my curve. So but before I connect with my curve, I would like to impute my bicep measurements. Let me just do that. Will be 8 inches. I want this sleeve to be fitted. And my one sleeve here is 6 inches. So I'll connect with a straight line here, and then I'll make it curvy here because I want the fitted sleeve. Can you see? I'll just blend it up here, no sharp edge. Can you see? So the next thing for us to do now is to cut out. So what you want to do now is to cut out the back first. Can you see? Then you cut out this. So now we need to cut out the front, but we need to transfer to fabric first before we cut out this front. So these are the lovely fabric I will be using for the sleeve. I want to mix it plain and pattern. So I want a band at the end of the sleeve. So what I want to do is I'll just come up by 3 inches. I want to mix the sleeve. Just come up by 3 inches. You can do any length of your choice, but 3 inches is just fine for me. Can you see? So I'll cut this one out now. While transferring to fabric, I'll add 0.5 here. I'll add 0.5 here for joining. Then at the end, I'll just add 1 inch for turning. Then this side, I'll add 1 inch. Then the edge here, the sleeve edge here, I'll add 0.5. Okay guys, so I have folded my fabric into 2. Can you see? Then I'll just cut out this one and replace this one with plain, then this one with pattern. So I'll just add on my seam allowances, then place this one on my pattern. Then I will now show us the fabric. Okay guys, so you can see I have cut out my fabric. Then this is the band that will be attaching to it. What to do now is to cut out my front armhole. So, and then how do I go about that is I'll place my 2 sleeve front right side facing right side like this. Then I will pin down. Then do the same thing too for this other side. Nice. Now come, you notch the edge of this sleeve, then place it like this. So what we want to do now is to cut out the front like this. So if you are using lining, do the same thing too to the lining, but for this tutorial I will not be using lining. So what to do now is what to do now is I want to attach this my band to the sleeve. So I'll just place it like this. I've notched the sleeve and at the same time I've notched the bands. You just pin down, right side facing right side. Then I also want to pin down this side. I doubled the M. Can you see it unfold? So that it will be like this after sewing. Then my stitch will not be showing outside, so that people will not really know that I do not turn it with lining. So it will be something like this. So I repeat the same thing too for this side. Let me just repeat what I just did. This is the band. I've notched the center. I also notch the center of the sleeve. Then let the two notches meet like this. Right side facing right side. You pin down. Can you see this aligning? Please, your own sleeve with your band too must align. Can you see? Then you just go and take it to the sewing machine, pin down. To be like this. After joining the band with it, you fold it like this on the wrong side. This is the wrong side. Can you see I marked my own wrong side? Then taking the allowances that you had. As for me, I added 1 inch, so I'll just take the 1 inch. Then knitting the inside. After which I'll now go and join this edge to my dress. So after that, I'll now come and show us the outcome of our beautiful sleeve. Okay guys, can you see the outcome of our basic sleeve? Can you see how fitted it is? So beautiful. Can you see? So thank you so much for your time. Bye.